squids spray ink at you because they're scared of you, and they run away because they run away from predators trying to eat them, and when they run away as fast as they can, they lose their predators. They eat their prey out of their beak inside of them.
Squids are carnivores. They're black, but mostly brown. They're black. They're half brown. They're half black, and then they eat fish. They eat shrimp. They eat other squids too. They eat other squids when there's no more food yet. They have these tentacles, and they spray ink at you because they're scared. When the ink goes away, the squid is away, and you can't see them no more if the squid's ink is in your face still.
Dolphins eat fish.
It's trying to say what kind of fish it's for. And see when.
Jellyfish eat plankton. They sting the prey with their tentacles.